Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can change game settings in Among Us for your server. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click here, and you're gonna see last button is game. And here you get like recommended settings, and you can simply change everything: kill cooldown, kill distance, medium, long tasks, visual tasks, imposter vision, player speed, voting time, even you can change that. And that's like really up to you, and this is how we do it. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. And yeah, goodbye.